video tutorial, we will see how to print left angle number triangle pattern. So let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with a space characters. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Those space characters are appended with number characters. The number characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. These number characters are appended with a single space character. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition is false and our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern we require a nested while loop with a variable called j. J is equal to 0. Nested while starting from j minus 1 less than 4 minus I, and at the end of nested while we are going to increase j value by 1. So here in this pattern every line begins with a space character. So let's print the space character first. Print, we are going to combine two space characters here, multiply by I, which is going to print 0 space in the first line, then 2 space, then 4, then 6 and 8 space character. Here along with the space character there is a number character in the same line. To get the number in the same line we are going to use this end variable without any value. So let's print the numbers. Print j plus 5 minus I is going to print the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the first line. Similarly 4, 5, 6, 7 in the second line, then 3, 4, 5 in the third line, and 2, 3 in the fourth line, and 1 in the fifth line. And we are going to separate those numbers with a single space character. After printing space character and number character, we want to continue from the next line. For that we are going to use print method outside this nested while. So run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. So this is our required triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial we will see another type of number left angle triangle pattern.